You guys did the poll, said you want me to do more ride-alongs. That means I'm gonna show you more days like this. This is a day I normally would go out and I wouldn't record because I wouldn't see the point in recording basically nothing.
We got ourselves a big over here.
Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin with Corey. We are out here on a mid-April day, a Tuesday here, working our standard Mother's Hour shift, and I'm in a t-shirt and shorts today because we're in Joe Nichols mode right now. It's gonna be sunny and 75 today.
Take me somewhere sunny and 75.
And we're headed to the zone right now. We already have an order queued up. It's a DoorDash PetSmart double shop. It's 7 combined items for 10 miles, 26 bucks, give or take. Now, mind you, I was 6 miles out of the zone, so this is actually a really good order. I was driving these miles anyways. So we're headed there. I don't have a screenshot because I suck, as we know. But you guys said you want me to do ride-alongs. We're going through another one. I kind of am hoping that I can get a .com today. I did do a spark.com yesterday. I didn't record, but it was one of the best .coms I've ever had. So if we can get this, maybe another DoorDash, and then get something like this, I'm gonna be a happy clam. But take what it is. I'm not going in with any expectations. Like, share, comment, subscribe, help me out. All that fun stuff here as we grow this channel. But let's go to PetSmart. As someone who's not necessarily a pet store person, I don't know my ins and outs that well. Mainly that one. I'm pretty good at Petco. But we got that done pretty quickly. I don't know, 10 minutes in, no substitutions. We did have to... She wanted 2 bags of some kind of treat, and they only had 1. I don't think that counts to your shopper metric, because technically I found it, even if not all of them. But anyways, 2 miles to the customer. Let's go. Somewhere sunny and 75. Gets me nowhere. Sorry, I don't know why, just warm weather just brings the country out in me. I'm a very well-versed musical person, not just one, genre. I listen to everything. So for some reason, these kind of days brings out the country in me. But anyways, easy drop-offs. We just got ourselves a CVS order. The beauty of this order is A, the money to miles makes sense, but B, it brings us in the direction of Walmart. And .com time is coming up, and I want to be there for .com time. So let's go scoot our booty over to CVS. Where's this yuppie sugar that I've never heard of before? Has to be here. That was easy, but also not, because I just don't get service in this area, especially in that CVS. The Wi-Fi is terrible. I had to do one out of stock. It should be a nice clear picture for DoorDash. I'm not worried about the rating. She just bought a lot of coffee stuff and there was no sugar, so hopefully her coffee is not tainted. But right up the street from here, let's go drop it off. Tuesday morning, did Tuesday morning things. We did absolutely nothing. We got absolutely nothing. So we just got ourselves a Grubhub. As I tell you guys, I do tend to do a lot of the Grubhub schedule commitment pay. So whenever I get a good Grubhub, I always take it. But in this instance, I would have taken it anyway. It's Dunkin' going about 2 miles. Dunkin's right across the street. Let's go get it. All right, that's done. Didn't really miss anything in the interim. DoorDash went off once for something really petty. But we'll see. It's almost lunchtime. I'm booked on DoorDash till 2:30, so we got plenty of time. Something I want to bring up. I lately have only been doing recordings on like Friday, Saturday, Sundays. I've only been showing you guys really the busy times. Oh my God, it is hot. I've only been showing you guys the busy days when I do the best. I'm going to throw the clip in from Nugs.
Like, you are watching my best shifts, okay? You are watching my best shifts. So if I upload a video and you think, oh my goodness, he made no money, that's the best I've got.
You know, like this, it's the best shift that I got. Like, that's what I get. So you guys did the poll, said you want me to do more ride-alongs. That means I'm going to show you more days like this. This is a day I normally would go out and I wouldn't record because I wouldn't see the point in recording basically nothing. But to be real, to be 100, this is my day. I very well might go home with 50 to 55, 60 bucks tops. It's a possibility. We're about 40 something right now, so I'd hope we'll probably get to 70, but we might not. For a lot of you guys, that's one order. And for me, that used to be one order, but you know, you could only do what you have available to you. And I did, I am on Deliver That. I am on Expedite. With Expedite, I put myself in the Boston market. Well, that's where it put me by default. I only got orders in Boston and they weren't worth traveling 50 miles to do and then 50 miles back, I'll say that. And with Deliver That, same thing. They put me in the Boston market. I only saw orders out of Boston, and the only other area on their map that semi-covers where I live is the Providence market. So we're gonna experiment. I don't mind driving maybe 25 miles, 30 miles, and then working in that area, but we'll see if I actually can get myself into this catering fun stuff. But we got a 7 for $5 DoorDash up right now. We're gonna take it. I mean, I'm 3 miles away from Chick-fil-A. I just want money. And to be honest, I can get that done in less than 5 miles. The route that they're telling me to take is stupid, so let's go to Chick-fil-A. Hopefully we get a stack to it. All right, so we're in a good area right now. Just drop that one off. Have a decision to make right now. About 2 miles to Walmart, 2 miles to Stop and Shop. We're McDonald's, CVS. I'm gonna roll the dice and say I'm gonna head to Stop and Shop because if you've watched my videos, you know I do a lot of orders there. And I think I have more chance to get an order out here than I do at Walmart. So I might be completely wrong, but it's 11:30, it's lunchtime, so should start getting something now. The industrial park orders, the office orders, all the employees usually do their you know, $5, $6 runs, which day like today, I'll probably take them. Would like to get a shopping order, would like to get a Spark, but it's not in the car. It's last time I checked the Spark map. Spark was gray. It's now red, but the only reason it's red is because there's a Michael's order, 6 miles for $8. Nobody wants it, so now it's red. But let's roll on. Well, we're at Stop and Shop, as I said, struggling for service and struggling to keep my phone cool. Has anybody ever used a phone cooler? Please let me know, because I'm actually debating getting them. I see them on Temu and on Amazon. I don't know if they actually work, though. But we're going to head to Stop and Shop. This is a super, super small Instacart order. $10, 2 miles, heading back in the direction of Walmart. We're not getting too much where we are, so let's just run in and grab something. That was a nice painless shopping order. Again, $10. I don't want you guys thinking that I'm turning into a little putz who takes all the terrible orders. Again, I'm taking what is being offered to me. So I was sitting there. I was not getting anything else. It's mathematically profitable. It puts me at over a $20 an hour rate. There's no reason not to take it. If there was a busier day and I had more selection, sure, I wouldn't take this order, but today's not the day. And also, if you watched my last video, I am trying to do Instacart at least to get to cart star status. This will be my 8th out of 20. That'll give me an extra 5 cents a gallon off when I fill my tank up with Upside, which is, again, not a sales pitch. I religiously go to one gas station because I usually get 12 cents a gallon. Now I'm down to 7. I want my bonus 5 cents. So I will grind Instacart at least to get there. But just a few minutes left to go to drop this off. 12 o'clock. We'll be back in a good zone for lunch. Well, guess where we're trying. We're trying. I'm back at Walmart, and again, this is one of the better chill spots if I don't have an order in the area, especially around lunch. But I swear, this parking lot is like a cancer to my brain. I have gotten some DoorDashes that have come up that weren't bad, and when I'm in the Spark parking lot, it's like I just don't want to do anything. I'm just waiting for a Spark order, and I turn down so much money. So it's actually like, it would make a lot more sense for me to not keep coming in this parking lot because my brain just orients taking different orders. But it's almost 1 o'clock. I do have some stuff to finish up at home before I grab the kids. Debating. No, we're not doing that. I do have some stuff to do around the house, so we're not going to hang out too much longer, but technically, I mean, we're around $60 and it's been 3 hours, so it's still $20 an hour, even though it really wasn't that great of a day, an afternoon. But I'll let you know either if I'm wrapping things up or if we get another order. It's going to be one of the two. You might be able to tell by how long this video is which one it is, but keep you in the loop. All right, we got to get rolling here. Either I got to roll or I got to go. So we're going to roll. And that's not a fat joke, even though I am overweight. But let's go to Chick-fil-A. We'll do this, and I think we're going to wrap it up after this. I'm going to go and get back and do my errands. But we'll just do this, get $8 more in the process. It's super easy drive. So Chipotle, why I can never get them right. Chick-fil-A is right across the street from where I am. So let's go pick this up. Hopefully we'll get an add-on. Again, I turned down a lot of stuff because I got crabby that there was no Spark orders. But come on, this would be a great time to have an add-on. Dropped off, nice and easy. Ironically, that was directly across the street from the Instacart I did earlier, and I've delivered to that address plenty of times. Appreciate him. He's a good tipper, and he orders close. So he's a good tipper, and he doesn't order far away. So 2 wins. Appreciate you, bro. But for the sake of a video, we're going to call it here unless something magically happens in the next 10 minutes. Here's what we made today, and we started around 9:30-ish, and it's now 1, so 3.5, 4 hours, whatever you want to call it. Here's what we made. Again, it's nothing to write home about, but this is what is normal for me now. During the week, this is what I'm able to grind most of the time. There are days like my prior video where I can get over 100. Those are the anomalies. Those aren't the normalities. So usually, depending on the day, I'll go out at night and I'll work for 3 or 4 hours at night. And then I go home and I have some other side work that I do. I have income in a lot of different places that I'll get into in further videos. But I don't just want to show you guys the banger days. This is a normal day of gig work in a small area where Spark is dead. And no bangers to be had, but we did what we can do. Again, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Happy that you guys are enjoying the videos. All the likes that we got, that we continue to get as we grow this community, and I set that bar to 2,000 subscribers. We're about 300 short now, but let's see if we can itch into that goal just a little bit further. But this is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.
It sound right, boys.